little artists! Are you ready to draw something healthy and fun today? We're going to learn how to draw a cute and easy carrot. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the carrot. Start by drawing a long, pointed oval shape, like a triangle with rounded edges. This will be our carrot. Great job! Now, let's draw some leaves on top. Draw a few wavy lines coming out from the top of the carrot to make the leaves. To give our carrot some texture, let's draw some short lines across the carrot. These will make it look more realistic.
Wow!
Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Wow! Look at our amazing carrot! It looks fantastic! Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with some bright colors. Here are our color pens. Let's start coloring our carrot. First, let's color the leaves. Green color. For the darker parts of the leaves, let's use bottle green color.
Cool!
Now, let's color the carrot itself. Orange color. Fantastic job, little artist!
Awesome!
Your carrot looks so colorful and beautiful. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.